Today we are making cookies that look like bears. Here go our cookie dough. We're going to put it in the refrigerator after, let it get hard. Then we're going to take them out and bake them. I'm going to put the dough in the hole, bear shape. Spread it out evenly. And then we're going to let it get cold in the fridge once we finish filling them up. Here go my teddy bears. Now we're going to put it in the fridge for like 30 minutes to let it set. And then we're going to bake them. So here go our cookies. They're nice and cold. And we're going to pop them out like so. See? They look like little bears. And we're going to go ahead and put them down on this parchment paper. And then we're going to bake them. See, we have our little bears. And we're going to put them in the oven and bake them for 15 minutes on 350. We put the first batch in the oven, you guys. We're going to see when they're finished. Small baby ones and big ones. These are too hot to take out, but there you have it, you guys. Teddy Graham cookies.